Today I'm going to show you how to make butter croutons. So I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and here I've got 3 slices of bread. You can use literally whatever type of bread you have on hand. Cut the bread into square pieces. Now in a mixing bowl add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoon melted butter, 1 teaspoon dried basil leaves, and little bit of salt. Mix it all together and make sure it's well combined. Then add the bread cubes and toss it until everything is evenly coated. Spread them on a baking pan or baking tray in one layer. And bake for about 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, remove them from the oven. Here are simply delicious and crunchy croutons. You can enjoy with salads or tomato soup. The options are really endless. And yes, do not put these on a container until they are completely cooled. Share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep updated.